Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black color, and this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a Bedliner with this vehicle as well, which is pretty nice. Mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board with a keyless entry pad right there. Side view camera, lights, blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front, and moving to the front, we do get front park sensing, recovery hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space. We do get floor mats, carpeted interior, you got some rear vents, cup holders, 12-volt, USB-Cs, 120-volt, and of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop, auto start, lights, spotlights, parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 456 kilometers. We do get this leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we do get a leather-wrapped gear select. You have your speeds. It is collapsible, storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, your leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage. We have a rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, and drive modes. We have trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, your engine start-stop, heated front seats with dual climate, 12-volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here. We do get a nice powered rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And looking here, we do get a 360 view of our vehicle, which you can change the camera angles, hazards, and traction. Park sensing as well. And looking here at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM, which is pretty nice. You got the phone capabilities right here. Navigation. Fave apps such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you do get YouTube capabilities. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD41368, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.